Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Right, see, prove ya. See them here. Nah, here, man. I save them till I come back a yard, brother. Alright. Me make a video, me this in a talk. But see the hell I receive the thing then.
Yeah, man, I'm the real man, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You what hell I go say.
Yeah, man.
King Billy. How long now you under brother you par?
You want to say about you, don't call you about. More than 20 years, but 20 years him later.
See.
But more than 20 years.
Yeah.
You see. And I man never get a call from him, nor a talk from him, nor about nearly 15 years.
See.
You see.
Yeah.
I don't have him phone number. I don't have no contact with him. So I don't know nothing about him. I don't beg him nothing.
Yeah.
And him with it. Out of the blue.
You get a link.
Me get a link, so a man say, he must make a call and he must send off some things.
Yeah.
You see it? So I'm saying, yeah, he must send off some boot and them little thing there for man and man
And I know one man.
and one man about 5 away.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
When say man I'm bonafide.
Yeah.
You see it? And some history him talk. Between I and the next man, because you find a next virgin, you know, we check for your eye.
Yeah.
You see, so you call a virgin there. And the man a virgin that talk, and you went tell the virgin, say, you say, my virgin, you know, if you take my virgin from me, you know, because a whole heap of years, me and him come from way back when, you know. You see, so the man say, him say, here, you know, I have some boot for same.
Yeah.
So I say, alright, you must send about 3 pair of boot for that. So I said, give thanks.
Yeah, alright. Cut that story there right there, so now. So the Sunday now was a Sunday when I received the boat them.
Yeah, man.
Me there on your veranda and the next hombre, not even have to call him name.
Right.
Next hombre there. And I feel hurted about it. That's why I build a video.
Yeah.
And the video end up go viral. A bag of people talk, a bag of things like we are beggar. I have some people we are talk. I say no matter even if you them beg or whosoever beg, them not deserve this, you see me? Because nobody no fear get smarty. Them here, look on them here. Nobody. See them there? See them there, see them here?
Call in on them.
Yeah, one day I see you
there.
there.
Put in on them.
Yeah.
People believe in me at this.
Brother, you can't send them here from England. Worse a man when I beg you nothing, brother. Watch you. I'll tuck in a boot them, brother. See them there, brother?
See them there, brother.
Nobody no want them here, my youth for here.
You know, see, you know, reach a stage where you
Yeah.
stop.
So,
see it.
this man, and when me see it, me know the 2 man them. Me grew as a youth around the 2 man them. That man I never left a place in Billy.
Yeah, man.
The next man left a place in the England. You see me? Me more grow around them, man. So when me see this, me feel hurt. Because even if the man they send a yell come give you.
I man I feel more joyful. Right. You know, see it because I don't know so right now.
Yeah.
I just hear that and if you remember I.
Yeah.
So when a man remember you, a whole heap of thing that.
Yeah.
You know, see it.
And if you have a virgin and him a check on you every morning, if I even on your phone, him a text and I say, yo bro, you alright. You have to concern about a virgin right, more than the rest of them.
Yes, I.
Yeah?
Yes, I.
So, if me and my friend, and he even mad and my friend, and me and him they are a friend from before he mad, me can't look on him and give him them, brother.
No, brother, I hear all that story and all that.
Yeah.
Me and the man all that tried, you know. In them time, and the man all that girl, you know, Rasta, the man, you know, wait to deal with him girl, you know, so right now, man, give my little corners and lay down on blood clot floor.
Yeah.
Make him and the woman sleep on bed, you know, Rasta. He's on like virgin, he don't do all them things, but he no repair as a virgin.
So, see the people them will want to know the truth.
Yeah.
And know say justice are justice. You see me, and injustice are injustice.
Yeah, man.
And we not hurt them way.
No,
if me who to take them from somebody, I mean I give nobody them.
So I say, look on it now people, what kind of hand him have to sit down and wrap up 3 old pair of boots and ship it, man ship, pay money, send man feet and carry come here when they take a stack of 3 old pair of boots over here about 15 years ago.
Tell the people on Sunday when you sit down on the veranda and the next hombre come and I say make easy the thing then.
Yeah man, all the virgin go for them.
Yeah.
When him carry them come, he say, Jasbo, warm to the something them.
Yeah.
So I say, them there, you know.
Yeah.
But here I go now people, they see 2 when me walk me and see how them stay.
Yeah.
Me heart kind of feel weak.
Can't show no man.
Me can't show my virgin say really at this the man sent from
Yeah, man.
the eye.
See them, man.
So the man don't pan eye.
Yeah.
You know see it and I say boy till it just but hopefully the thing them come the guys see them now.
Yeah.
So I say alright. I make you see them.
Yeah.
So when I go in at the house and forward and show the virgin the thing them, the man run about half tree and run come back and I say John one holy head and say John when can't believe this. Him go down the sofa, spend him money and come back.
Yeah,
Then I say Jasbo, I saw my old boy in at the house and I say no. Away man send for him so.
Wrap up in a plastic.
What you mean well tape up?
Well tape up.
You know see it, spend 1 month pan sea. You know see it and spend another month in the next place we call it and take a
Space where good things could go. Yeah man, can't send them and can't give nobody man. Look on them.
So
Nobody
people,
know where them.
and then around corner thing and my brother now make no fool video. So the real man where come thing come to a high.
Yeah man.
You know see it's a nice sign. I want them yeah.
And I show me cut up, me make a video too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then whole heap of man cut up and
Yeah,
1
man.
or 2 or 3.
Yeah.
The whole village. You know
So,
see it?
it.
Yeah. Some people I just love where I deal with it and say if a man say him take to you, you can't get them things.
Yeah.
You know see it? A real life
Yeah man, we not stay a yard and pressure nobody a
No.
fire. Because we know more time up there snowy
You know
and
see it?
cold. And people all have to up there clean our shit. So we know out there depend on
I
nobody.
want, you know, see, so when I
not
want
get
to
it
send
wrong.
something to you come give and
Yeah.
eat good, and I give thanks.
The money a farmer and hustler. See
when-
money?
When
Farmer.
a man send out, then
Yeah.
I come give you. A big disrespect.
Yeah man, like in have you up for a long
Check
time
it
then.
out. Because my foot small, all
Yeah.
them have to fit me. Watch
I
it.
push your foot in that. I put your foot
Watch
in
it.
that.
Them I can't fit I rasta. Them I can't
So
fit I man.
I shoot that brother.
I shoot that brother.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I hit man.
Sign
Yeah,
out
brother.
man, a jazz was so man.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm not here to disrespect anyone or anything like that. But the first thing I'm going to say to you is that the moment I open a package and see old pairs of shoes like that, I am not putting my hands on things like those. You see what I'm saying to you? No. With the amount of virus and all these things we are going around, viewers and subscribers, and you know, those shoes look like some really old pair of shoes. You see what I'm saying to you? So the first thing I'm thinking about is, you know, the bunion and the corns and the sweat and all these things. I don't know what kind of foot or feet had been in those shoes. You get what I'm saying to you? So me not touch it. Now, viewers and subscribers, for those who might not understand fully what is going on in this video, viewers and subscribers, this video shows of someone that said that he collected some old pairs of shoes from a friend overseas, or you could say abroad. You know, some persons in Jamaica would call it foreign. And in my point of view, viewers and subscribers, what had happened in this video, I do not exactly believe, but at the same time, I'm not saying that they are telling a lie. And this is the reason why I know. See me? Viewers and subscribers, you know, so social media is a place where people put all kind of different contents on it. You know what I mean? Some real and some not real. You know, and I've seen some things that have been posted on social media that you would think it is real. To how these people act and behave, you think it is real, only to find out that it is not true. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? That is one thing. The next thing I'm looking at is that this person seems so calm, despite the fact that someone sent something like these old shoes. You know, Jamaicans would have called something like that old Bruk. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you ever hear a song say, "Fight for your old Bruk, fight for your old Bruk." Yeah, vintage song. It is a Jamaican old time song. But listen, viewers and subscribers, what I'm looking at is that this person is so calm. You see what I'm saying to you? And not everybody love to flare up and go and disrespect people. You know? No, not everyone love to go in a rage and get angry over things. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, I put that as a 50-50. You see what I say? Really and truly, I look at this video and I'm saying to myself, you know what? It can be true and it might not be true. You see what I say? But me not say I lie them and I tell. But at the same time, I'm not going to just accept it and say, yes, it's true. No. I've seen some things on social media over the years and I'm telling you, yo, it's not easy to get me convinced with certain things anymore. Alright? But if this, what had happened in the video, turns out to be true, in my point of view, that's a disrespect. You see what I'm saying to you? Or if it is not a disrespect, it is something that is inconsiderate. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, that's just my point of view. You see what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what has been seen in this video as well. And you don't know, this is where I leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.